Hey guys, welcome back for another iPhone boxing, and I just like to check out this Lazada package that I just received. So I believe this is wallets, minimalist wallets again. So as I mentioned, I am actually trying to diversify the contents in my channel, and this is super duper interesting that I want to try out wallets in general because I want to upgrade my wallets. So this is supposed to be a minimalist wallet. It's actually quite big, but let's take a look at what's inside. Alright, I think this is just around 200 pesos again. Very cheap. And look at this, guys. This is kind of a leather, brown leather kind of wallet. You have a pouch right here. And here at the other side, of course, you have that button to keep the things in place. And actually, it's very hard to put out what happened here. That is very hard to put out. I'm afraid that I will break it. I will probably break it. I will probably break it. Right, so yeah, I need to get that out. That is pretty tough to get out. Or maybe I'm doing it wrong. How do you do it? So alright, this is already a fail unboxing. For me at the least. So how do you get this out? It doesn't want to go out. That is bad. Okay, I may try to research this one first, but it's a pretty big wallet. I'm looking for something smaller, but this is, yes, I'm gonna also link it down below. That is a fail first unboxing, but I have another one. So take a look at this one. This might be something that I would like to use myself. Oh, all right. Now this is a kind of a smaller wallet. That is nice. Opening it up, and you get that letter thing, Seonyu. So cards and coins here at the top, pretty thin, and of course another cards also nice. So what I like about this is you get a coin purse here, and maybe some cash here at the side. You need to fold it again, and it's nice that you have a lot of like card holders. This is nice. This might be the one that I'm gonna use for today. This one is a bit of a bummer, but if you look at it, guys, this is quite thicker compared to this one. This one is thinner, which is something I like because I'm looking for minimalist wallets. This doesn't feel minimalist. Feels the same as my a big wallet, but it's a little bit smaller, but no, it's still pretty big. That is our iPhone boxing for today of this one, Lazada stuff, wallets in general. So of course I'm gonna do a review on this both. Of course, subscribe for that in Zpolt channel. There's a bit of a scuff right here, and of course thanks for watching. I'm gonna see you guys in the next iPhone boxing. Bye.